Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are in the community of Marvida. Now this is a new community that is located in Cypress, Texas. Now the building we're going to take a tour of today is going to be Castle Rock. The model is called the Hayden. Now the Hayden is a two-story home. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, but you can get it changed out to make it a 5-bedroom home and also up the bathroom to a 3.5. Now this home is a little under 3,000 square feet, but the price tag is something that you might be interested in, which is going to start around the $500,000 mark. So we are going to take a tour of this home first, but let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe, that like, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Let's go ahead and take this tour. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour of this home that is located in the community of Marvida, built by Castle Rock. If you have any questions about this model, this builder, or any other real estate questions, please make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much again. You all have a wonderful and blessed day. Oh, remember, if you have not done so, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe, like, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Thank you.